Good morning, Gophers and Wolves. Today we get to read the last part of this book, the last part of the New Testament, where we talk about Jesus coming back. Many years later, the disciple, John, lived on an island. While he was there, an angel came to John in a vision. In the vision, a bright light surrounded Jesus. He spoke to John, "Do not be afraid. Write a book about what you see and send it to the churches." Part of that book is the Bible. In the vision, John saw God sitting on his throne. A rainbow sparkled all around him. John saw that everything bad on earth had come to an end. Then John saw a new heaven and a new earth. God said, "There will be no more death, or sadness, or crying, or pain. I will live with my people forever." Then Jesus promised, "I am coming back soon." That is something I know we all look forward to as Christians, is getting to see Jesus again someday. It's going to be so exciting. Let's look at your math. So today we're going to be working on subtraction in the hundreds column. So with subtraction in the hundreds column, it works just the same as the ones and the tens. All you need to do is draw your line down the center. They did that for you. Then you can subtract 5 minus 2, 6 minus 3, and 5 minus 1. Just write them in the lines underneath. I would recommend using a number line to do this, and you will be able to get all of your answers. Remember, if there's nothing there, that means it's a 0. So 4 minus 0. Minusing, you should be getting smaller numbers. All of those answers, all 4 of them, you're going to take and you're going to put in here in order. Yesterday, you went from smallest to biggest. Today, you're going to go biggest down to the smallest. So if you were to have the numbers like 99 and 13 and let's see here, 47, you would put them in order, and the biggest one goes first, and then the smaller, and then smaller till you get to the smallest. So it'd go 99, then 47, and then even smaller, 13. Bigger, smaller, smaller. That's exactly what you're going to do on your worksheet. Bigger, smaller. Down here, you're going to see that 2 of these numbers are really close. In fact, they're so close, they're only one number different. So you're going to take the one that's a little bit bigger, you're going to put it here, and then the one that's only one number smaller is going to go there. And then you know that if you take the bigger number minus the smaller number, the answer would be 1, because they're only one number different. All right. On the back, you get to help work at Sean's Shell Shop. So in Sean's Shell Shop, you're going to help them to figure out how much money they owe people, because this is how much they give you for this shelf and how much money is left. So I'm going to help you figure these out. We'll start with the first problem that says 69 cents minus 1 little swirly shell. So I have 69 minus, and I see this little swirly shell is worth 43 cents. So 69 minus 43. I put my line down the middle, and then you can draw out your number line and subtract to find your answer. You only need to write it in one spot. So 69 minus your 43. And what does that equal? Then you can go on to number 8. And there's 26 minus this swirly shell. That's 12 cents. So you write 26 minus 12. These papers are sliding. Put your line down the middle and subtract. On the other side, you're going to look at number 9. You have 98 minus a starfish. Your starfish is worth 52 cents. So you write 98, I need more space than that, minus 52. Line down the center, 8 over 2, 9 over 5. Then for number 10, you're going to have 39 minus a flat shell, which is 16 cents. Draw your line down the middle and subtract. Remember, subtracting is getting smaller and going back on your number line. On the bottom, you'll need to find your ruler, and you will have to you'll have to figure out how many inches. So the inches should be the side with fewer numbers. There should be 12 on this side. Start at 0 and see how far it goes. Write the number it lands on right here. Do the same thing for number 12. Let's look at your phonics. On the top part of your phonics, they're helping you get to some musical notes. So they just go in order of the alphabet. You go A, B, C, E, G. You need to fill in the letters that are missing. Then you start again at A, blank, B. For the next part, you are going to draw a line between the word and the word that it should be matched. So unlock, sad, unlock, lost, unlock, open. Unhappy, unhappy, sad, unhappy, lost, unhappy, open. Unsaved, unsaved, sad, unsaved, lost, unsaved, open. Go down to the next part. Alone, alone, fight, alone by himself, alone, scared. Attack, attack, fight, attack by himself, attack, scared. Afraid, afraid, fight, afraid by himself, or is afraid, scared. The next spot, repair, repair, go back, repair, fix, repair, get. Receive, receive, go back, receive, fix, receive, get. Return, return, go back, return, fix, return, get. Beware, beware, look out, beware, obey, beware, under. Below, below, look out, below, obey, below, under. Behave, behave, look out, behave, obey, behave, under. For this part and for the other side, you need to draw a line between the sentence and the picture it matches. She can blow a lower tune, or she can pluck a faster tune. He will shake a faster song, or he will beat a slower song. She will clang the loud marching song, or she will top the happy soft song. She will hit the highest note, or he will pluck the lowest note. Remember to watch your video on natural resources and have your parents get a hold of myself or Miss Jamie so we know you were able to do your work for this week. Have a wonderful day.